On the GMAT, one of the things you want to do with a question like this is to try to get the base, the numbers inside the parentheses, the 1/2, the 1/4, and the 1/16 to be the same. That's a key concept with exponents, which is a topic this question falls under. And with exponents, if you can get the numbers inside the parentheses to be the same, it makes what you need to do to the exponents really simple. At this point, we recognize that if you look at the 1/4, the 1/4 really can be written in a form of like the 1/2. And the way we can do that is just think about the 4 and think of 2 squared. The 16 you can do the same. Think about the 16 and think 2 to the 4, meaning 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 will give you 16. So as a result, let's go ahead and rewrite our setup here. This is going to be 1/2 still, because that hasn't changed. The 1/4 becomes 1/2 squared, still minus 2. And the 1/16 becomes 2 to the 4. Okay, and they still minus 1 outside. Then what we can do here then is recognize that, again, remember we are saying we want the numbers inside the parentheses to be the same. So essentially this 2 we have here needs to go out, and this 4 needs to go out. So how do we make that work? It means that we need to have something that now looks like this. This still has not changed, so we keep that the same. But now this time this 1/2 over here now goes out, and so essentially you have this 2 going out to this 2, that creates a minus 2. So you have a minus, creating a minus 4. That's a 2 times a minus 2 creates a minus 4. And then over here we still have our 1/2, but when you think about this 4 going outside to the minus 1, that creates a minus 4 as well. So at the end of the day, we now need to look at all 3 sets that we have. Essentially, in exponents, what you want to recognize is if the base is the same, and obviously these 3 are multiplying each other because of the parentheses. If you're multiplying in exponents, you add the exponents. So essentially what you have is you have 1/2 still, but for your powers you now have minus 3, minus 4, and minus 4. So minus 3, minus 4, minus 4 is minus 11. So your answer becomes 1/2 with the minus 11 on the exponent level. Thank you.